everyone, welcome to the channel. Well, we are finally back at Cecil County Dragway for a little test and tune. And today, we brought the Redeye. I got the miles in so I can finally race her. I do not have any wheels and tires just yet, so we're going to be racing her on the factory tires. See what she can do, not trying to break any records. Just want to see what time we can get. She's full weight, as you can see. Back seat. She's going to be full factory. So, let's see what she can do.
151.19 and a 110 with a 4 on the 60 foot. How about that?
Watch yourself.
Never get it. Phone number will be 84483 and just text the name Cecil to that number and you will get notifications for the Mander cars when to come to the lanes. All the announcements. Okay?
Hello everyone, as you can see we're back from the track. We were there for almost 7 hours because vehicles kept on breaking down and leaking stuff onto the track, but I was able to make 7 runs today. At the start of the day, the temperature was right around 63 degrees with a DA of right about 1,000. Now right before my last run, I checked it, the temperature was 68 degrees with a DA right around 1650. Now my last run of the day was my fastest, and my time was 11.615 at 124.63. My reaction time was a little slow at 0.407, and my 60 foot was 2.009. Now you got to remember, all these runs were made on my factory all-season tires. I was at full weight with almost 3/4 of a tank of gas. Now I know none of these were ideal conditions, but I just wanted to get the car to the track to see what she could do. While I was there, I saw Ron from East Coast Jeep SRT, really nice guy. He's got a really nice track hawk. He just got it back from HHP. He had some work done to it. If you're not subscribed to his channel, I suggest you go check him out. He's got some really good content. Well, that's all I have for today. If you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and then turn your bell notification on so you stay up to date on my next video. I'm out. Everybody be safe.